Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python step by step. Start by installing Python and picking a lightweight editor like VS Code or Thani, then write a Hello World script to confirm your setup. Focus on core concepts like variables, loops, and functions with small practice projects. Spend short daily sessions, review mistakes, and gradually add libraries as you need them for real tasks. Move on to core concepts with a warm, steady pace that builds confidence. Study data types, conditionals, loops, and functions with hands-on examples. Break code into small functions and modules to keep things manageable, and write tests to check behavior. Try mini projects like a calculator or to-do app to combine ideas, celebrate small wins, and iterate as you learn new tools and libraries that solve real problems. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step tutorials. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping that saves time between coding sessions. It's surprisingly fun to watch it work while you focus. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Use a mix of interactive platforms, books, and challenge sites to maintain momentum and variety. Follow tutorials that encourage typing, not just watching, and solve problems on coding challenge sites for immediate feedback. Read official documentation and study simple examples to see real usage. Engage with online communities for support, code review, and motivation while tracking progress with small, achievable milestones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.